AppNana is a quite simple app that you can use to earn free gift coupons of Amazon and PayPal and many other apps by playing simple games and completing few tasks. Now, there's a quick tutorial how you can use the app and how you can earn nanas that you can redeem into Amazon and PayPal gift coupons. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the installation of AppNana is pretty simple. You just need to go to the Play Store and type in AppNana in the search bar with the search icon, and you'll get the first app on the list. Hit the install button and accept all the requirements that you require to install the app. Your download starts, and when you hit the app, you'll see that the app has got 10 million downloads and 4.5 star ratings. So I think it's a pretty good app. Once the installation of your app gets completed on your device, just open the app quickly. Here's the first tab that you'll see on app. In the second tab, you'll see all the gift coupons of the apps that you can get redeemed. But for getting nanas, you need to register yourself. They'll require a simple email and a password. Once your registration gets completed, you'll get 10,400 nanas. That is your installation gift. For registration, you get 10,400 nanas, and you need to start from that and make it a much bigger amount. In the second tab, you'll get all the games and the apps or the tasks that are to be completed, and a bar with the invite code where you can apply the invite code that you get from your friend, and you'll get 2,500 nanas for it. For playing games on the app and from earning nanas from that games, you need to hit the small icon right there. It has a gamepad on it. Now just hit the icon and a page will start loading, which will have all the number of games that you can play on the app. Now the rule is, when you play the first game, you'll receive 500 nanas for it. I'll hit the Jetpack Joyride for this and receive 500 nanas on my account. Now in the beginning, the app will take time or the game will take time to load, so I'm just fast forwarding the video. The game gets loaded, you just need to hit the play button. Now the rule for this is, you need to play the game for at least 1 or 2 minutes to receive the number of nanas, that is 500 bucks for the first gameplay. You receive 500 nanas for the first gameplay and you'll get a pop-up just like that on your device. Now you can exit the game and hit the main menu, and you'll get another pop-up saying that you received 500 nanas. Now your grand total is 10,500 nanas on your device, and you can also get from invite code and following the page of AppNana on Instagram. Getting nanas, you can also download games from the Play Store and complete some tasks by watching videos and ads on the device. This will help you to earn more number of nanas. And in the first tab, you can redeem all the number of nanas that you have earned by selecting the region where you live. You'll get the offers and the gift coupons that you can redeem. That says 12 lakh nanas for $100 in your PayPal account, and you can also redeem nanas in the Steam account to get some gift coupons from Steam. These are the gift coupons that were available in my region. So guys, this was for now. I hope you liked the video. It was a quick tutorial how you can install AppNana on your device and use it. If you liked the video, just hit the like button. If you have any queries, hit the comment box. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.